Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how to update to iOS 15 fast and securely on your iPhone or iPad. iOS 15 comes with a ton of pretty cool features including focus mode, notification summary, Apple Digital Legacy, and a lot more. So just in case you wish to update to iOS 15 fast and securely, then this video is for you. That all being said, let's dive right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, make sure your device has around 50% battery life. For a smooth sailing updating process, I will recommend you to keep your device connected to a power source while it is being updated to iOS 15. Besides, also ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once you have taken care of these basic requirements, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on General. Now you have to tap on Software Update. Now wait for some time until your device has checked for the update. Next up, you have to tap on Download and Install, and then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, you have to follow the usual process to download and install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone or iPad. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can update to iOS 15 or iPadOS 15. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.